Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyodokan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'll show you how to make Japanese traditional meal Ichiju-sansai. And Ichiju-sansai is written by like this. It means one soup and 3 side dishes. This word does not include rice and pickles, but rice and pickles are essential parts of Ichiju-sansai. Today's menu is very simple, and if you'd like to try to make Ichiju-sansai, I recommend this menu. Ichiju-sansai is so healthy and tasty, and I'm sure Ichiju-sansai contributes to our future. Yes, let's make it!
First of all, I'll make pickles. I use a carrot, cucumber, and white radish. I peel off the skin and divide it into half. Okay, carrot. I peel off the skin as well. Nice. And I make a cut to absorb the flavor easily, like this. Then, this is nukadoko. It's made from rice bran, salt, red pepper, and so on. Actually, to make nukadoko is a bit difficult. I'll introduce it in this window. Okay, I'll soak vegetables into nukadoko. In nukadoko, lactic acid bacteria and butyric acid bacteria live. That's why it's gaining attention as a healthy food. Good, I cover them with it. Nice. I'll keep it in the fridge. Next day, I'll prepare dashi for miso soup. I add dried sardine into the water, and I leave it for a while. Then I rinse the rice. I introduced how to cook the rice in this video. If you are interested in, please watch it. Okay, I let it stand to absorb the water. Next, I'll make ohitashi. This is Japanese mustard spinach, which is called komatsune. The right one is much thicker, so I make a cross-cut to cook them evenly. Good, like this. Then I'll blanch it. I add komatsune in the ample boiling water, and I'll boil it until it becomes tender. Okay. I transfer it to the cold water directly, and I chill it to keep crunchy texture and nice clean color. When komatsuna was chilled, I remove it from the water, and I squeeze out the water politely. It is very important. Okay, and I cut it into 3 cm intervals. Nice. At last, I arranged on a plate. If you watch this video, this ohitashi is different from that one. But these just blanched vegetables are sometimes called ohitashi. After that, I'll pour soy sauce and bonito flakes on it. Okay, I'll keep it in the fridge. Next, I'll cut the ingredients for miso soup. I'll use half of eggplant. I cut it into half-moon slices. Okay. Onion, I slice it thinly to cook it quickly. I'll use a quarter of onion. Okure, I cut it into 5 mm intervals. I've done cutting. Let's make miso soup. I add onion and eggplant. Then I stir it and cook them. It begins to boil, and I add the miso. I melt the miso into the dashi. Okay. And I taste it. Perfect. I turn off the heat and set it aside. Next, I'll make tamagoyaki. I crack 2 eggs into the bowl. Nice. And I beat them well. Okay. Then I add 30 grams of water, 5 grams of soy sauce. At last, 5 grams of sugar. And mix them until the sugar dissolves into the mixture. Nice. Turn on the heat. The level of fire is medium. This is salad oil. I spread the oil on the pan entirely. Okay. Then I check the temperature of the pan. Nice sound. I put the mixture on the pan and spread it entirely and evenly. We should add a small amount of the mixture like this. I cook it until the surface is cooked. Good. Then I peel off the far side. Although I do it with chopsticks, you can use a spatula as well. Okay, I roll up it towards front side. Stop. If the oil is not enough, the egg sticks to the pan like this. This prevents us from making tamagoyaki comfortably. So it is important to spread the oil entirely every time. Okay, I move it to the far side. And spread the oil again. We don't need to use much oil, just spread it entirely. Okay, I add the egg mixture to the pan. The amount of egg mixture is a bit more than previous amount. I lift the egg and spread the mixture below the egg. We should move the pan back and forth carefully, not to brown, but cook. I break the bubbles. Okay, the front side of the egg is cooked well. It is important to cook the egg to roll up it beautifully. Okay, I roll up it. When I roll up it, I move the pan widely like this. I use chopsticks just to support. If we add much power to roll the egg with chopsticks, the egg may be broken. So the hand holding the pan is important. Okay. At last, I add all egg mixture. I lift the egg and spread the mixture below again. When the amount of mixture is too much, I can roll and return it, and spread the mixture below quickly. Nice. I heat it front side. I say again, it's important to cook the egg well. Okay, then I roll up it. Nice. I slide it to far side. And heat it for 1 moment. Okay, I turn over it. And heat the opposite side too. Okay, turn off the heat. Tamagoyaki is done. Okay, let's cook the rice. I drain a sieve. I soak the rice for about 30 minutes. Then I transfer it to the nabe. And I pour the water. I cover with a lid and turn on the heat. Of course, you can use a rice cooker as well. Okay, done. I turn off the heat. I let it stand for 10 minutes. Next, I'll grill a salmon fillet. This salmon is already seasoned with salt, and this is a popular style in Japan. We can cook it very easily and it is so delicious. I place it on the grill and cook it. Meanwhile, I'll prepare pickles. I kept it in the fridge for 24 hours. Okay, the vegetables absorb salt, acid and umami. I remove them from nukadoko. Okay, I wash out nukadoko. Nice. Then I'll cut them. I cut it into quarter rounds, which is called ichogiri. This is icho in Japanese. Okay, cucumber. Nice. At last, carrot. I divide it into half and cut it into half-moon slices. I'll arrange them on a small plate. Okay, pickles are done. Next, tamagoyaki. I place it on the cutting board and cut it. Nice. I place them on a plate. Perfect. Next, white radish. I grate the white radish with a grater. Okay, good. I squeeze out the water gently. Nice. I turn over the salmon and cook it. And I reheat the miso soup. Once it's heated, I add okura. Okura is cooked quickly. Done. Just now, salmon is cooked perfectly. Looks so delicious. Let's arrange miso soup on a bowl. Nice. Ohitashi? This is bonito flakes. I top it on ohitashi. Done. I'll open the donabe. It's so beautiful and the smell is perfect. I turn over and mix it. And I arrange it on a rice bowl. Great. Finally, I put grated radish beside the salmon. I added soy sauce to grated radish. I prepared all dishes. Let's arrange them on a table. First, I place the rice left side. And pickles. I place miso soup on the right side. Ohitashi and tamagoyaki is far side. Finally, I place the main dish at the back right. Perfect. Ichiju-sansai is done. This meal is so beautiful and healthy. At last, I add soy sauce to ohitashi. Nice. いただきます。ごちそうさまでした。
Thank you. Did you enjoy? Actually, making Ichiju-sansai is not easy, but it is so tasty, healthy, and looks so beautiful. Of course, you can change the menu. For example, you can use other fish instead of salmon, or you will add boiled egg instead of tamagoyaki. I hope you will enjoy Japanese fundamental meal Ichiju-sansai, and I wish we spend our day healthy. Please let me give you one information. I started Instagram in English to the world. In this account, I'll introduce Japanese daily life, food, and culture. If you like, please check and follow me. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.